Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and today we are going to be playing Wild Animals 9! It's the Wolfpack slash Animals, and it's the Wolfpack, is the Wolfpack slash Dragon right here. And yeah, I'm going to be starting the video. Enjoy. And like, subscribe, comment down below if you like this game or what else do you want me to play. And I'll be honored to play those games if I can download them so I could. Okay. I hope no one thinks I'm a hacker. I don't like when people think I'm a hacker because I have no name. And I can't really show you because how to don't have any name because my brother said not to show you guys. Well, yeah. I don't know what to do. So I'm just walking. Fruit. I kind of actually do like it when people think I'm a hacker because where they don't mess with me and they think I'm strong, but I'm not. Oh, wait. Phew! Excuse me. Right? Nope. Carolina. A flying penguin like me. I'm just reading the chat. I'm eating. I'm a flying lion, bro. What the heck? Come here. Someone said a bad word. I'm gonna not see it no more. For a long time. Yum. I'm good. Now I know where to go. Wow. There's a lot of flying people. Oh. Passing through. I'm going to the grass. The big long grass. Wait, what? What the heck? I didn't do anything. What the heck? At least I know where I'm going. I see it. My dead buddy. I just passed here to get some fruits and go to the grass. You see. There's the big grass. Here's the big grass. Safety. For the next video, I'm gonna be playing Zombie Dogs online. So, yeah. I don't even know why gazelles are still annoying in the game. They're like weird and they have to get you and attack you for no freaking reason. Now I'm gonna just attack for no reason. I'm sick of that same old attacking. I just want to level up. Oh no, someone said bad word. Again. And yeah, I'm gonna pause it to make my account, which is now void. Well, not the account, just my name and my animal. Now see, you'll see it. And where I live, so I'm gonna be showing you right now. Yes, and my name is nothing though. Yes, but my name. Well, I'm not gonna tell my name in real life, but maybe my nickname. My nickname is Kari. Kari, you can call me that. That's better. I'm hungry, Tysis. I'm not gonna do any harm. I just want friends. Everyone gets a like. for nothing. I don't like being with other kinds of mine. Sorry. I don't say words like means them. Yeah. Holy mackerel. That is big cliff. I don't know how he got up here. Just kidding, I did. Bet. Okay. I don't know what you're saying. Anyways. Yes. I want to eat that first. I'm not following her. So yeah. Because she already doesn't even know where to go. Well, this is how I climb up if I did. No. Here. Don't worry that if you think you're gonna fall, you're not gonna fall. Okay. You see? I know how to go. Up there. So, even though I don't know if you actually did bet. Bet I meant, I don't, it's like, I don't like it. I did a lot of damage. I do have a lot of damage, so for just this, but I do take a lot of damage. Where is he? Well, here. There she is. I kind of like killing these. No, I'm coming for you. I can kill it for you. Lemon. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Yeah. That kick around? I don't think so. I kind of like climbing in these hills and going down. It's really, like, it was really good made. Guys, if this video gets 100 likes or 50 likes, I will be playing Zombie Dogs, and I will try to level up fast as fast motion. Okay, guys? So, like, subscribe, comment down below if you like playing these games or the thing that I said. 5 minutes. So, yeah. Bye, guys. Oh, bye, guys. Sorry.